Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming version and preparing the app. This prevents partial installs. Open Teams, go to Settings, then About to note the version. Once done, quit Teams from the system tray so files can be replaced cleanly. Don't just close the window. Make sure your laptop stays awake and connected to the internet and power so the update downloads without interruption. These quick checks reduce errors and let the installer run without file locks or network timeouts. Now perform the update itself. Use Help Check for updates inside Teams to trigger the built-in updater. It downloads and installs in the background. If that fails, download the latest installer matching your OS architecture and save it to Downloads. Once downloaded, run the installer as administrator so it can replace files system-wide. Follow on-screen prompts. The installer usually closes Teams and reopens it. After installation, sign in and verify features. This confirms a clean upgrade, and that data remains intact. Finish by confirming the version under Settings About to ensure the update applied. If Teams behaves oddly after update, clear the cache. Quit Teams, delete the cache folder under %appdata %\Microsoft\Teams, then restart. This removes corrupted temp files. If issues persist, reinstall the app completely and check for corporate policies, proxy, or firewall blocks that prevent updates. Contact IT if managed by your organization. They may push a sign build. One troubleshooting tip: clearing cache often resolves login and UI glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.